How to prevent unknown caller from accessing your number on iPhone. This particular setting works very well if you don't want to receive any strange number calling you from your iPhone except the number you saved on your device. So doing this is very simple. Tap on the settings button. Now go to the search button, tap on it, type in phone. Go ahead and tap on this first one, or tap on the first one, scroll down to the base of this page until you see this button that says unknown caller. Tap on this button to toggle it on. Once this button is on, it means any number that you've not saved on your iPhone, you will not be able to receive their call. Rather, they will drop a voicemail if the message is very critical or important. That is a simple process on how to prevent unknown number from calling your number on iPhone. If you get this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.